So let me ask you this question. If every time you go to meetup, you learn something new, yes? You get some new information, get some new knowledge. So logically speaking, you're accumulating your more information, yes? So logically speaking, if you have attend 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 meetups, learning from different people, and you say you find that useful, you should be multiplying your income by 1, 2, 3, or 5, yes? Now the question is, are you? No. And why not? Why not?
Wisdom?
What's missing? Yes, yes. What's your name? Christine, you got it right. Because it's always bits and pieces of information, and there's no focus. See, Mike believes that wealth is an event. Earl believes, write this down, wealth is a process. Wealth is a process. Process creates millionaires. Process creates six-figure income earner. So when you know the process, so whenever you meet someone successful, here's what I want you to be thinking. I wonder what is his or her process. What does he do? Not bits and pieces, step by step. It's like if you're going to teach me how to bake a cake. Well, you tell me, you just get some sugar, get some fruit, put it together, you make a cake. What are the chances of me making a cake? What do I need if I want to bake a cake? Recipe. I need the ingredients, yes. Where to get the ingredients, how much I should put it in, right? What are the steps, right? And how much I should bake it for, what do I need, right? All these things. But yet you say, well, it's a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. It doesn't work. I met Gabriel. How many were here when Gabriel was speaking for the Freedom Consulting? Okay. So Tyler was here. So I met Gabriel, right? He was here. And Gabriel is a very successful consultant. Very successful consultant. And after the meetup, he approached me and talked with me and asked me to mentor him and coach him a bit. I said, okay. See, Gabriel is making over $200,000 a year as a consultant, taking a lot of vacations every year. He's where a lot of you want to be in your dreams, yes? He's where you want to be. So, and he's a smart guy, yes? Very smart guy. Talk with me and say, hey, Dan, can you coach me? I'm launching this new business. Can you help me out? I said, okay. So we talked a little bit. I coached him a little bit. So now I'm coaching him now. And the very first session that I had with him, I remember, hey, Dan, I've been thinking all these ideas. I've been thinking about doing this and that. He shared like 10 ideas with me, right? And basically then in 10 minutes, I told him 9 of them are shit. Because I've done it. I said, just focus on this. He said, great. Perfect. I just run with that one thing. So that 30 minutes just saves him how much? A lot of time. And that's the difference. See, from information to result, you have this big gap. What bridges the gap? I can tell you right now, it's a mentor. I'm where I am today is because of my mentors. No other reasons. Yes, I read thousands and thousands of books. I've attended dozens and dozens of workshops. I have listened to hundreds and hundreds of programs. Do they help? Yes, to a degree, but I could, without a doubt, saying I'm where I'm today because of my mentors, period. And that's the difference. Because you don't want more information. You don't want more what? Information. You need the right information at the right time from the right person. That's the difference. Put everything together. Oh, what should I do? When I have a problem, I talk to my coach. Hey, what should I do? Oh, do this, I do this, I do this, I do this. My coach is worth $500 million. That's his net worth. That's who I learned from. I'm smart enough to know I'm not that smart. I'm smart enough to know. And I can tell you, people say I'm an expert in this and that. I think I'm an expert at finding other experts. When I have a problem, I pick up the phone. I talk with other people. I don't have, it's like people, you got to weigh your ego with the bank account. Which one weighs more? I have a problem, I pick up the phone, I ask someone. But yet, most people, they try to do it themselves, figure it out on their own. Well, I guess that's how you bake a cake. I'm not sure, but I'll try it. And then you don't like it. And you get frustrated, and you don't know why. But versus just going to someone, learning from a master. Learning from who? A master. And learn from them.